When do NYS Court Officer exam results come out? Short answer: about 6 months after the testing window, so roughly spring 2027. Longer answer, which matters more: no exact date has been published, and here is everything that actually is decided. Let me be precise about where that number comes from. The court system's own wording is that results are typically emailed about 6 months after the examination period has concluded. The testing window ends October 7, 2026. 6 months from there is spring 2027. That is arithmetic on their phrasing. It is not a published date, and nobody has announced one. Treat it as the expected window, not a promise. If anyone gives you a specific day, they made it up. Here is the sequence, and every date in it is published. The exam runs August 26th to October 7th, 2026. Results are emailed about 6 months later. The eligible list is established in the first half of 2027. One statewide list, everyone who passed, ranked. Then candidates are canvassed in strict score order as vacancies open, and only the people who get reached move into screening and appointment. One thing worth clearing up while you wait, because it is the most repeated wrong claim about this exam. Ratings are on a scale of 0 to 170 is the passing mark. But that is a scaled score, and the passing raw score is only determined after the exam has been administered. So a scaled 70 is not necessarily 70% of the questions correct. Do not plan around getting 70% right. And this one is genuinely consequential, so listen if it applies to you. A lot of people searching for court officer results are looking for the previous exams: 45, 841 upstate, 45, 843 downstate. Those lists are active right now, and that is where current appointments come from. But both of them expire the moment the 45-857 list is established, expected in the first half of 2027. Passing a prior exam does not carry over. If you are on one of those lists and you have not been reached by then, your standing ends. And sitting this exam is how you stay in the running. Which brings up the thing that actually decides your outcome. Passing is not the goal. The list is canvassed in strict rank order over several years, so your score does not just decide whether you got in. It decides how many years you wait, and whether you are reached at all before the list expires. A few points is the difference. So, results around spring 2027, no exact date published, and your rank is set by a score you can still move. Free practice for all 5 sections is at dutyrank.com. And there is a results alert on the results page if you would rather not refresh your inbox for 6 months. DutyRank is an independent study product and is not affiliated with the New York State Unified Court System.